Next, at syempre, palapakan din natin, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! Grabe, this is a noble celebration pala dito, Jules. Dito, Jules. Jules, no? Ayan.
Ito yung mayaman.
Ayan, Mommy. And Daddy, dito muna po. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Louder! Happy birthday! Amazing! One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, palakpakan naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan natin ang ating birthday girls, Taray, Amora, and hey, ayan, palakpakan naman dyan. Hey, alright, thank you very much guys, ayan, tayo na kayo po. Upo po na lahat ng guests, thank you very much. At siyempre, ayan ang ating birthday girls, thank you very much guys, upo na kayo. Ayan ba? Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng gown, pangarap ko rin dati yun. Kaso mo na. Sa akin ka narinig namin. Alright, keep your smile, look at the camera. Show your smile.
Uy, nasisira yung
Alright, so again guys, lapit po ulit yung mga kasali ng 7 Teddy Bear. Lahat po yung tinawag sa 7 Teddy Bear, lapit ulit. Picture mo na ulit together with the birthday celebrator. Come on guys.
Sky, okay na.
Kasama rin yung proxy ha. Sige, picture na doon. Let's go.
Wait, tayo kami. Wait, tayo kami. Sky, sama ka doon. Sama ka doon. Wala. Picture na.
Dito po yung sa'yo doon tayo. Sige, kita ko rin. Anak ko naman dyan! Sige lang yung kayo yung steady. Oh, look at the camera, smile. Uy, ano kayo? Huwag na kayo. Ayun ah. Alright, so again, thank you very much. Next we have Jonas Sakupa and Gabriel Cody. What's that? Wala pa ako patapos, sayaw lang, sayaw. Kita-kita ko yun. Lalog ba? Lalog ba? Apo kami. Picture, look at the camera guys. stay behind. Dance!
Ayaw ni Kuya. Sky! Sinyel na lang, sinyel, no?
Smile! Look at the camera, guys! Next we have James Matthews. Guys, kids, wait lang.
Mag-ingat